Hello, everybody. This is John Michael with Excel 2 Tech. And today I want to do a little unboxing on the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, 12th generation, the last one. I know it's been a while, but I just wanted to do this unboxing and just kind of share some thoughts about reading. By the way, if you're not a reader, or you haven't cracked a book, or you care less about reading, well then move on. This is not for you because this is about reading. This technology is about reading. So, however, if you are interested in some tech gadgets and you are a reader, or you're interested in getting into it, or maybe you've been just dabbling on reading a few articles here and there, then this is for you. This article's for you. You ask yourself, why do people read, and what is it that motivates them to read? And so, you either read for entertainment or you read for education. And maybe you read because you have to read your 1,000 emails at work. But I digressed. Let's get back to the unboxing here. So let's open this up. And let's talk a little bit more about reading, all right? All right, so what I have here is the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition. It's the 12th generation. You guys have seen unboxing. This is not a new tech from Amazon or anything. This is the 12th generation. It's been quite there for quite some time, but the interesting thing, when I was talking about reading, is that you wonder how people, what motivates them to read and all that. So, all right, we got a USB-C. Okay, we probably won't use this because of one of the capability of wireless charging. However, I do charge my Kindles through USB-C because, what's it say? Books may well be the only true magic. Hello? This is what differentiates the Signature Edition. It has wireless charging, kind of like you see here. It has this this stand, and I have this stand on my other book. My last Paperwhite, I've had it for 4 years. And it's been lagging now a little bit and all that. Obviously technology has improved. It has this 7-inch glare-free display. Okay, it's auto-adjusting. It has this auto-adjusting front light. You can read at night. You don't have to kill your eyes for that matter. But when you're talking about reading books, think about the TV series Michael Connelly, Bosch, The Lincoln Lawyer. Dude, those are good TV series that came from books. Lee Child's The Reacher. Hello. I don't care for the movies, but the TV series now, dude. The TV show The Expanse. It's another book that was written. I can't remember who wrote it. I wrote it somewhere. But those are the things that when you're thinking about entertainment, and then when you read for education, or John Maxwell, Dale Carnegie, good gosh, I could just go right down this list here. Adam Grant, Shane, Kim Scott, the Radical. Dude, I could just get into this thing. This is all about reading. And this is what Kindle does best. This Kindle Paperwhite book. This is nice black, metallic black. Really nice, waterproof, IPX 8, okay, You're not going to just go out there and throw it into the ocean, but you know, if you're outside and it sprinkles a little, you know, it's not going to mess it up or anything to that effect. You know, but you know, when you look at the different things, let's see here, wireless charging, USB-C. It's got a 32 gigabyte of storage. Not that you don't need. The other one is 16 gigabytes. You know, you could. I don't know if you depend. If you have a lot of audiobooks, I have a lot of audiobooks, and then you put it in here along with your books, and yes, then I would say that your let's see if I got anything going on here. No, oh well, take that back. Then I would say yes, 32 gigabyte might be better than a 16. Even though you could probably put all your 16 and all your audiobooks and your books in here and it'll be done. So all right, I gotta set this up. So anyway, so guys, I mean this wasn't a long video, but I just wanted to touch base with you on this. The reading, if you are a reader, then this is what you need. You know, this is what you really need to read all your books. You don't have to carry, you know, volumes and volumes of books with you. I love my Kindle reader. I love taking it with me. I love reading my books, and I love reading along with my audiobooks. Okay. If you like these video, guys, please subscribe. I am going to cover another, for those of you, like my son used to tell, well, he does tell me, not that he used to, he does tell me, that he likes writing on the margins of the book, highlighting, writing, and all that good stuff. I believe I got the Kindle for you. I'm going to be doing a little unboxing and demonstration on the Kindle Scribe, the black and white, not the color soft, the black and white, no front light. That's the latest of the Kindle Scribe. I too like to write notes, and I do have other note-taking tablets, but there's nothing like having your Kindle and something to write on together like the Kindle Scribe. But for you now, this is good. The Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, 12th generation. Okay, go out and get it. I think you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, sign up, give me a thumbs like, and I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.